Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious okpa. It is super easy. With just 5 ingredients you can make this. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of okpa flour, pepper, seasoning cubes, uziza seed, grounded uziza seed, and grounded uziza leaf. Now for the oil, this oil was extracted from ofaku or banga soup, the water. Like you want to make ofaku, then that oil that settles on top of the water, this is the oil. So I'm going to sieve in the oil into the okpa flour, and I'll start mixing it so that the okpa flour will absorb the oil. So now I'm done mixing the okpa flour with the oil. I'm going to add some warm water, little. I'm not going to add so much. I'm going to add little warm water, and I'll keep mixing it with the okpa flour. I'm going to mix it as if I want to melt a raw pap, as if I want to melt raw pap. So that's what I'll keep doing. I'm going to make sure there are no lumps. We will melt all the lumps and make it to have this smooth consistency. So guys, please do note that you mustn't use your hands to do the mixing. You can also use a turner to do that, but I prefer my hands. But to use your hands, make sure that your hands are neat and your nails are short for a good proper hygiene. And I've added a little water to loosen up the thick consistency. So I'm going to keep mixing it. I'm going to make it watery, not too watery, but at least it's not going to be too watery and too thick. Then I'm gonna go ahead to add the ingredients. Please do note that uziza leaf is optional. I only added it because I really love the smell and the taste it gives to food. So now I'm going to pour the flour into these plastic bags. I don't know what happened. I got the wrong ones. These ones are very small, but I'll have to use like that anyways. So at the same time, my pot of water is on fire. It is cooking. Make sure your water is boiled before placing the okpa inside your pot. So I'm going to tie the okpa now. So guys, this is the end result. So my phone did not record the part where I was placing the on fire, but I cooked it for about 15 minutes or so. So trust me, it tastes better and nicer than it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any question, you can put down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and click on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you're going to get notified. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. See you in my next video.